Happy New Year! Happy New Year! It's 2023, and if you're following me, thank you. If you've been with me all through the year, thank you for subscribing, thank you for following my channel. 2023, I've discovered something. AI is taking over slowly by slowly. So there's one new software that I would love you to check out, that if you're a YouTuber can help you so much. And if you're a copywriter, it can help you so much. If you're doing some research, it can help you so much. Please look out for this software. It's called ChatGPT. Okay, it can help you create content easily, and I'm going to walk you through how you can do this, because AI can simplify work. If any of you is a YouTuber and knows Canva, you know Canva as a video editor can also help you so much. So I'll be leaving a link in the channel down in the description if you want to register for ChatGPT, but as well as watch the video till the end, see how you can use it to create YouTube videos. Alright, remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. 2023, Happy New Year, let's go, Crypto with Kabaka Timo, bye bye. ChatGPT, alright, you can see, is ChatGPT better than Google? Alright, so let's first try it. It's OpenAI, ChatGPT, optimizing language models for dialogue. Alright, so we'll say try. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to sign up. I'm going to sign up. Just click on sign up. Use my email address. I'm just signing up for an account. Okay, so once you finish signing up for your account, I'm going to verify my email. I'm going to verify. Okay, so I want to verify my email for my Open GPT. You have to verify with your phone number. They'll send a code on your mobile number. Okay. And once the code arrives, you have to put it in. So I'm going to check my phone for this number. Okay. So I've put in the code they've sent me. So we are in. This is a free research preview. Our goal is to get external feedback in order to improve our systems and make them safer. Generating correct or misleading information, produce offensive or biased content. It's not intended to give advice. Conversations may be reviewed by our AI trainers to improve our systems. Please don't share any sensitive information in your conversations. We love your feedback. We have also a Discord account. Alright, so here we go. Explain quantum computing is important. Alright, I want to ask. Okay, let's go here to new chat. Let's say, tell me about Elon Musk. Okay. You see? This is it. So Elon Musk is a businessman, industrial designer, and engineer. He's the founder of CEO, CTO, chief designer of SpaceX, early investor, CEO, product architect of Tesla. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, this is Open AI ChatGPT. Okay, it is telling us everything about Elon Musk, and I want you to read for yourself. So that is Elon Musk biography. So you can get this and turn it into a video, okay? Or we can say regenerate response. Let's see what they bring. If it's different. Actually, it is not different. It's not so different, but it has been phrased in a very funny way. So OpenGPT is awesome. It's better than, I would say, it's better than Google as for a moment. Yeah. Wow. It's all about Elon Musk. They're telling us Elon Musk biography, but it has been rephrased. So if you make channels with voiceovers, this is very good for you. Yeah, you can easily create content using this, okay, without hiring anyone. Okay, so that is OpenGPT. You can go to their Discord, or you can clear the conversation, and then you can start again. All right, confirm clear. All right, okay, so let's say something. Let's talk about a person. Why did Trump lose the 2020 election? Wow, you see? You see? Wow. This is OpenAI. This is ChatGPT, and I'm just enjoying. So you see what they're talking about, Trump? Okay. Let's say if we say regenerate response. Let's see if the changes. Wow. You can see this. So you can easily turn this into a voiceover without writing anything, without doing anything, and you have a whole lot of page of content, and you're good to go. Okay? This is awesome. So for any creator, this is something that you deserve. Use it, test it, and create some. It is easier for you to create content. Okay, this is my last one. I want to ask them, how do you make one on YouTube? How do you make money on YouTube? Wow. Okay, ad revenue, sponsorships and brand deals. Okay, YouTube Premium. You see, merchandise. Okay, Patreon. Wow, this is content. You don't have to argue or do anything. They'll just get you the best content. So I love OpenAI, and if you're creating voiceovers, this is the best thing to go. So if you like what you've seen, give me a like, subscribe, and share. I always find new technology that will help us make content easier, and I think this is going to be a very good thing going forward. So remember to give me a like, subscribe, and share. Crypto with Kawaka Timo. Let's go.